So we're in Vegas, and what's typical in Vegas besides having a big giant monkey? But we're here for Jeff's birthday. Jeannine threw on a little party. He's not here yet. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna check this place out, throw some sharp shit and stuff, and hope nobody dies. In case you didn't know, that tree on the wall is an accelerator. Because he said they bounce back faster than they go in. Those are special trees. They're made of flubber.
Well, I was following. No, I never had heard of this place.
I don't know.
What do you have? What's going on, man? Hey, this you want to do it where everybody eats, kind of settles down. He needs it. He needs it. How are we? You would rather go in like just with no dollars? Jeff has a huge schlong. It's just aces. It's the best.
And long ball.
Long ball. Down to his knee. Beautiful.
Happy birthday, Jeff.
Happy birthday. It's about time you get there with 50.
Welcome to the big 5-0. Your body starts hurting every day now.
Don't get small.
Yeah, like the people rent out the slip and everything, so it costs a lot.
They're super. If you put two together, you can't it's like it's an anchor. I don't know. It's not my bitch. Oh, that's right. She made a dessert. Everybody's setting it up. Perfect. No. Honestly,
Tell me a funny story about Jeff while he's not looking.
I'm telling you a story? I thought you were going to tell me a story.
Tell me a funny story.
Oh my gosh. I can't think of one right now, John.
You're doing a great job. There's so many people here.
Things. Thank you very much, but honestly, I was running a little late and everybody else helped me out. There's too many, but I don't know the ones that most of the stories that I know about Jeff, he told me. after we were together for a long time. His famous words to me were, "But I'm not like that anymore." So whenever something would come up, or I would meet a new friend for the first time, or a new story would come up, or a wheelchair in the airport stories, things like that, he would always tell me, "But I'm not like that anymore." So now, 10 years later, anything that comes up, he's not like that anymore. So I love him just the way he is.
That's awesome.
Hillary Clinton was here.
Lighted room.
Or just go in the room. Yeah, just go in the room.
Yeah, that's better. Alright. Good. Yeah, that's better. I'll send it to him right now.
Yeah, they'll send it to me too.
All right.
Hey, you want to take this into the busted up room and bust it up?
Tell me a quick story about Jeff. Like, how do you know him?
You know, it's crazy. I met Jeff probably 10 years ago when we used to smoke together at the Wind. We both used to smoke. Jeannine used to smoke, and but I never worked in Dice, and so we kind of were friends. But then I went to a different shift, and I really didn't know him that well until he came to day shift, and immediately liked the guy. Immediately had so much in common, same age. And I went to him and said, "Dude, I need you to push me farther. I want to train." And I knew he was like the guru. And so ever since then, the guy's like a brother. So I love the guy, man. He's a good dude.
He's in. This is my Oliver's scared. Hey, Johnny.
What's up, Freddie?
Holy shit, man. How you doing?
What's up, man?
I'm going to assume you're filming, and that's a... Hi, happy birthday.
Hey, so tell me a quick story, something funny about Jeff.
Ask him to go to the desert and tell you a good story. Do you know that story in the desert? You're not gonna. The funnier thing though is I'm at the Hilton. You didn't bring me out. And this foreman, this big bodybuilder foreman, is standing there dead. It's like 4:30 in the morning. I go, "Dude, you gotta tell me a story." He goes, "All right, I got a story for you." He goes, "So I meet this guy at the gym," and I'm like, and before he gets to say the punchline, I go, "I didn't bring him out there to fuck him, did you?" And he's like, "What the hell?" Oh wow! You know Jeff? The story just really got around. But it was funny because you know Jeff's stories are so like animated and like every detail is told, but it's not like annoying. Yeah. He did the exact same. It was exact same story, like not one little like flavor or anything. It was just like, damn that. Oh, there you go.
Were you on the game when he flipped it, when he was doing checks and he flipped the $100 check on the floor when he was practicing at Bally's?
That was a good story.
He's like, "Oh shit."
Whoops.
Or you have brought your own axes from home. If you all have brought your own axes from home, I am highly terrified because there are quite a few of you standing in front of me. If you are practicing with the axe in your hand or you are ready to throw, please get that.
So one time Jeff whipped out his penis. It was really small. What a great story.
Ever played golf? Ready, go. All right, like that. That's rotate, that's try to click it to add the rotation. The first hand hold is the double hand over the head. The double hand over the
Now I'm gonna do 2 at once.
Now you're invested in finding out. As opposed to like, good luck with that.
No, just under it.
Give me a couple of cracks at it.
What's it say? 8 words, 1 hour. Nice.
Get it, Nikolai, get it.
1, 2, 3, and then we'll get. You go and I go. We're hitting it at the same time. Sounds fun. Hey guys, be safe. Damn.
Yeah, sure. It's no wrist. It's no wrist at all. Just release. What are you talking about? Just release. No wrist.
No risk.
I don't use wrist. That's what I was doing. I'm just saying. I get free gloves. This is the third one? I gotta hear your yap, right? Whoa, whoa. Oh, you're gonna get on the down. We're gonna get on the way back. Like a quarter rotation there. Pretty good. It's open. Yeah. Arms tired. I benched today. Really, I worked out really hard.
Oh no!
I hear the tears hitting the floor from here.
My dog ate homework. All right, here we go. I'm gonna show you. This is for you. Oh!
There you go!
It's stuck and it came out. Oh, look. Yeah. If the box wasn't there, it would have stopped.
There's a gift certificate stuck in the wood?
No, there's nothing in there. I mean, that is literally. You picked it. That's garbage.
I thought they all did.
No, they all. Yeah, let's tell them.
Hey, is it in here?
did your good, did your best, prove it. Tuesday nights, midnight.
Yeah!
He's just open. Guys like girls like any occasion, ask monkeys, let's do it.
Bullseyes. Dude, who am I? Bing, bang, boom!
Talking about Lisa?
Yeah!
Happy birthday to Jeff. Happy birthday to you.
Big ball pineapple.
Someone had to say it.
Right?
You're right.
What's up, Nut Slap?
What's up there, dude?
What do you got to say for your birthday?
Huh?
What do you got to say for your birthday?
I feel younger.
He says every time I come in, he's got a game.
Parents' house, taking. The parents are wrong. Millennials.
Have you seen this one?
Oh. No. You post it?